Understanding how color impacts apparel design. Hi everyone, my name is Tia and the art director here at Apparel campus. Last week, we introduced how color evokes emotion. In this video of our color series, we break down the basics of color and how it can influence buying decisions for apparel. Color plays a vital role in design and everyday life. It can draw your eye to an image, evoke a certain mood or emotion, even communicate something important without using words at all. So, how do we know what colors look good together and which ones don't? The answer is simple. Color theory. Artists and designers have followed color theory for centuries, but anyone can learn more about it. It can help you feel confident in many different situations, whether it's choosing colors for design or putting together the perfect apparel collection. With a little insight, you'll be looking at color in a whole new way. Color 101. First, let's start with the basics of color. There are two main categories for how colors can work together. These are primary and secondary colors. Primary colors are red, blue, and yellow. Secondary colors are the colors in between the primary colors, orange, green, and purple. Tertiary colors. If we mix primary colors with secondary colors, we get more in-between shades like red, orange, yellow, green, and so forth. Altogether, they form what is called the color wheel. If we go one step further, we start to look at hue, saturation, and value. These terms will help you understand more nuanced colors like the little paint chips you'll find at a home improvement store. Hue is basically another word for color or shade. Here are different hues of the color blue. Saturation refers to the intensity. In other words, whether the color appears more subtle or more vibrant. Highly saturated colors are brighter or richer, while desaturated colors have less pigment. Here are different saturations of the color blue. Value has to do with how dark or light the color is, ranging from black to white. This gives us many different shades in between, creating color schemes. So, how do we put this all together to create professional-looking schemes? There are formulas already created based on something called color harmony that can help. Color harmony uses the color wheel to illustrate different color combinations. Some of the most common types of color combos are as follows. Monochromatic design is an easy way to form harmony, especially with your apparel collection. Pick one spot color and adjust the saturation and values, making it lighter or darker to make different variations. When choosing this color scheme, you're guaranteed to match because the colors are all from the same family. You'll see this use of color on apparel from your favorite brands in retail stores today. Analogous color schemes use colors that are next to each other on the wheel, like blue and greens. Complementary colors are colors that are opposite each other on the color wheel, for instance, red and green. You can add variety to these color selections by including lighter, darker, or desaturated tones. A split complementary color scheme uses the colors on either side of the complement When using three colors that are evenly spaced on the color wheel, this is triadic color scheme, and it forms a perfect triangle. And finally, tetradic color schemes form rectangles on the wheel using two complementary color pairs. This formula works best if you let one color dominate while the other one serves as an agent. It's all about balance when choosing your different color combinations for your next apparel collection. The more colors you use, the more complicated it gets to balance your artwork. My advice: don't complicate things too much. Contrasting colors can create balance when used correctly. Where text or typography is concerned, make sure you preserve the contrast between text and background color to ensure legibility of the text, which is really important to convey your message effectively and professionally. Colors that clash or don't contrast well can be jarring on the eyes. Whether you're looking to start your very first apparel line or you're wanting to add more to your collection, understanding these key color rules will help you curate the perfect collection. These color rules are great to use when designing and merchandising as well. If you have any questions for me about applying color theory for your next apparel project, comment below and I'll help you out or direct you to another useful resource. For more educational content from Bella Canvas, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you never miss a video.